Today I will give you Photoshop idea, that is Photoshop full course in one video. Photoshop is a software by which we can make photo editing. We know that we have two softwares, that is, one is operating system software and other is working system software. Both the softwares are installed into the desktop computer or laptop computer so that Photoshop software can be used for photo editing. By this Photoshop software, we can resize the image or photo, remove background color, change the color of photos, curve the image and photos, etc. Various work can be done by this software. These softwares can be installed by your computer repairers by giving some amounts, or you can buy online for installations. Now you start the computer and open the Photoshop software by double clicks. Then you will see at first two bars, that is one is menu bar and other is toolbars. These bars are consisting of various sub-menus and various tools. So every tools have specific functions to do the photo editing jobs. This menu bar have also some sub-menus bars by which you can create a photo file by using file menu, and sub-menu is new menu. You will also see open sub-menu, close sub-menu, close all menu, save as menu, print, etc. Then you go to edit menu, where you will find a lot of sub-menus and have each work of every sub-menus. For example, we can say if you want to cut a photo, select photo and use cut sub-menu, and will see the said photo is vanished. However, in edit menu and image menu, you will see copy, paste, photo, rotation, resize the photo or images, etc. So various you will see various select menu, view menu. Each menu we cannot discuss all the details. You will see and check with your notes book. You will purchase a Photoshop book. This Photoshop software also have various versions. As you like, you will purchase, you will buy. Now we go to toolbars, where a lot of tools you will find, and every tool have a specific functions to do in the Photoshop photos and images. You follow how to work these tools in the photos or images. More important tools will be discussed for your practical work. Let us go to the toolbars. After some time, I will see you how to open the file menu, edit menu, image menu, layer, type, select, filter, view menu, windows, etc. Tool, like every tool will be discussed. Important tools will be discussed for your getter. While you will forget, but when you will open and you will start my video, you will get basic idea to run the Photoshop by yourself. You will practice this Photoshop at your place, and when you hold to go ahead, you will follow this video that would be helped you to get good ideas how to do. By using this Photoshop software, you can make banner, poster, visiting cards, invitation cards, flex, etc. That means all the graphics designs can be done. It has more and more demands in the markets as DTP operator, graphic designer, etc. on worldwide basis. It is an important software, and you should know thoroughly so that you can earn in right way. With this view, I can present how to use Photoshop. You are requested to follow this video again and again so that you will learn how to do the photo editing jobs. Now you are requested to follow. I am giving some examples in practical. You follow it. Suppose I will go to file menu. Suppose I press the new button. देखिए, you will see a dialog box will come. So in this dialog box, you select photo. You have size, you can get size. You select the size. We can landscape 7 into 5 inches and color RGB. RGB color can be used in web design, but in print media, CMYK color. Then press OK. A new photo artboard will come where you can import a photo through then you go to file menu and open. In your storage storage, you can go. There is a lot of pictures. These pictures, press on open. This picture has come. Now I go to move tool. And move this photo move. This move tool can move here and there. You follow here, as you like. You will decide where I will place this photo. Now I go to, so you follow. There is close menu, save menu, save as menu. Place import means import photo. When we bring photo, this is called import. Export, when photo will be sent to website, that would be called as export. Print menu exists. You follow, then I can go edit menu. Here you see cut, copy, paste, etc., filter, stroke. You will learn all the sub menus you will buy a book, Photoshop book, then you will see and practice in practical field. Image menu, you see mode, adjustments, auto tone, etc., image size, canvas size, rotation, etc. Layer menu, a new layer, a layer, we can use layer, one layer used for one purpose or two purpose, another I can take another layer. Okay, type you follow the length, your font size you can select which fonts can be used, select, you can select filter, blur, etc. View menu you can say. Now I go to the next marquee tools, marquee tool, rectangle marquee tools, clips marquee tool, etc. single etc. যেমন I rectangle select this thing. A move tool I can use the move. This is move. Now I control Z, place control J and control D, vanish. Next you see marquee tool. Next selection tool, lasso tool, polygon tool, magnetic lasso tool. All the three tools have same functions, selections. You follow how to select, how to select, how to select, how to select, then select, press double click, बस select हो गया. इसका next I can press adjustment, control M. It means it can be used as how to clear the photos faces. You follow white. Okay, then okay. Now I vanish this selection portion, press Ctrl D. Now I go to quick selection tool on magic wand tool. Quick selection tool, it means it automatically select the portion and you can move this photo here. But again I mean Ctrl Z means same places and Ctrl D vanish the selection. One tool, this is work similarly. Crop tool means crop is a vital. If I cut this portion, this will cut. Ctrl Z. Don't cut, but same positions. Next I will giving you some important tools for your knowledge. Spot healing tools. When we want to clear the spot, then we will use spot healing tool. Brush tool, same. Brush tool also. This is right. Next, brush tool. You can use brush tool, say tool, brush tool, same function. You will see your book. You will buy a book and where you will get details of the detailed functions of these tools. Clone tool. This is copy. Used for pattern tool, same functions. Now I go to history tools, art history tool, brush tool. History means previous photo can be restored by using this tool. Now eraser tool, if you eraser, background tool, eraser, magic tool. By this tool you can erase photos. Now shape tool, you can gradient color, you can change the color, gradient color, etc. Next Blur tool, when you need cloudy in a photo, this is called blur. Then you can use blur tool. Now dodge tool, it, it clear the face brightly. Now your pen tool is used in various way. We can select the portion of photo or anything, same function of the all the tools. Now writing, if I write a text, then you can use horizontal text, vertical text as like. Now path tool, it can be shape tool, you can rectangle tools, click tools, polygon tools, etc. Now okay, hand tools, you can use hand tools so that your photo can be move here and there by hand tools. Zoom tool, zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in means photo can be increased, or out means can be decreased. So then you have some work. Suppose you control transform, control T. Control T, use control T. I am taking another photo so that you can control T. I open a new dialog box. Control T. बस इसको you hold the corner and drag, it will increase, and close, it will decrease. You understand my points? You will next of the however some others technical points are there. You will learn from the books. You will purchase both books, and my video will give you fluent idea, and you will learn the Photoshop very nicely without wasting the amount. Now I end the class. Thank you very much.